All right, today is gonna be a good day because we're gonna put this MagnaFlow muffler off my brother's 350Z onto the old 328. Get rid of this big old heavy thing and let her breathe. Oh yeah. Reposition my car so that I can jack it up, get a grinder and the welder close by. Let's get this old muffler off. Alright, we got it up in the air, jack and jack stand. Now we just gotta take out those bolts. Got 4 of them, little couplers. Then we can get this rear half of the exhaust off and chop the muffler. Well, I got them out. Bolt head is a 13, the nut a 12 millimeter. But yeah, we're almost ready to pull the rest of the exhaust off right there. Yep. Got these 2 hangers on either side of the muffler. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Yeah. 13 millimeter nuts. I'm gonna take those off and oh god, spider webs. I'm gonna pull that little vacuum line off that diaphragm there for the old flapper. Well, I got it to drop out, fall on my arm. It's great. It's heavy, but we're ready to pull the muffler out. Got this little line. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Do something. But yeah, exhausting. I think it's time I do a little startup with the old straight pipe there after the cats. There's no turning back now. Done chopped them off. Well, now it's raining, but the exhaust is getting close. It's getting close. Well, it's not the prettiest, but it's gonna work. I think it'll sound pretty nice. Well, I'm gonna have to weld that. Dang. Oh yeah. She's nice and welded. Ready to go in. Probably chop off that hanger. And make my own. But yeah. She's about there. I did it. It's done. Got the bolts in. It's all welded up. And I even re-welded the tip. It's done. Now it's time to see what it sounds like. Got it back on the ground. Exhaust done. See what it sounds like. So I've had the car done for about a week. Been driving it around, daily driving, and she's nice and clean. And I'm pretty happy. There's a slight drone when you're on the gas around 2,000 RPM, a little over 2,000. So I'll probably end up putting a resonator somewhere down the line before the Y pipe that I put before the muffler. And I might also get a different tip. They have the dual chamber tips. That could help with the droning. But overall, happy with the tone. And we'll take it for a little drive. Yeah, she needs a little gas. And there's that cam sensor code. Dang thing. Nice cold start. It's so bright. It's so bright. Now, I'll have to clear that code. And soon I will buy another cam sensor. Went with the Hella, which, you know, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. And that's what you get with the cheap sensors on these BMWs. Unless you want to spend $200 on the genuine. But I am a broke son of a bitch. So for the meantime, we just say bye-bye. Bye-bye check engine light. Cam sensor's fine. Oh, look at that. Oh, we're fine. We're good. See? Yeah. Nothing to see there. Now let's take it for a drive. Grab something to hold my phone up while I'm driving. But yeah. Slowly warming up. Slowly. Very slowly. Alright, we're set up. Ready to go. Go get some fuel. And rev it, friends. 378. Oh, it's gone up. Ouch. Ouch.
Maverick's Adventure Club and Adventure Club Nitro cards are free to stuff. We might even drop some special offers selected just for you in your My Stuff page. And it doesn't end there. With Punch's digital punch cards,
Ow.
earn freebies without the hassle of paper punch cards. You can...
Dang it. I wouldn't have sent over. Oh God, it's so bright. Give me that receipt. Damn. Woo! Yes. We got gas. Ready to go. Once we get the phone in here. Yes, sir. Almost 3/4 of a tank. Almost. Any of that with all the wind noise, but it's okay. Alright. Well, I think that's where I'm going to end this video off. And in another video, I made that. Yeah. Little subwoofer. So, I'm going to post that up here pretty quick too. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.